Hi friends! Today is a big day. I finally found a fully vegan, cruelty-free hair color in Europe. I know it's hard, I've been on a search for so long. There are few options, but they're not up to my standards. It happened spontaneously. This one I found in Bio store. You know what's going on. Look at the smile. And it was a full aisle of hair colors. I'm like, whoa, I want to take a look. I checked with chat every single one, every single ingredient list, and this one was the best. The price was also the highest, by the way, and I needed 2 packages for my hair. It was 16 euros for 1 package, so for the whole situation here I got 2 packages. Total was 33 euros, which I think is reasonable for what I'm going to show next. Inside you have charcoal shampoo, conditioner, gloves, developer and color gel. And first I pick developer and color gel and I look at the packaging. It says, my past life, I used to be a milk bottle. How cute is that? And this one, the way it's just minimalistic, I appreciate it. I appreciate the concept behind package so much because immediately you can see how much people who develop, I think, care about the product, about the whole image of the product. It's just nice to receive along aftercare, pre-care. I feel appreciated, you know, and it's important. And after I see this, I see that, and I'm like, where's the instruction? I need an instruction. How cool is that? How minimalistic? Obviously, you don't need another paper to print on instruction. You already have a box. How smart is that? And to read it in your own language, you can scan a QR code. Now, I picked the color 4C. I want to go darker. It's autumnish, soonish. I'm in my goth era. Just want to go darker, more muted. So I'll go and do my best and come back to you guys and show the results. Some quick thoughts from the middle of the experience. Firstly, the hair color smelled so good. I never have experienced a hair color which would smell good. Like, usually you're just suffocating from the amount of chemicals, I don't know what is that, ammonia, suffocating. This one was pleasant to actually experience. I can describe it as a cherry tree. The application was very easy, enjoyable. The amount of product for my length was more than enough. And the gray shampoo I was showing you before, you are actually supposed to use it after you rinse the hair color from your hair. How cool is that? I think it's about the time to go and rinse, put conditioner, shampoo, conditioner and style, and I'll be right back. And we are back with the results. That's what we got. I still can smell the hair color. It's such a good smell. I wouldn't mind to have a perfume like that. The shine is so gorgeous. And the color is very decent, pretty decent. It doesn't have any undertones. It looks it looks ashy as I was hoping it would look. I have some light going on here, so if we turn it off, if we turn it off, it will be like that. The experience was just immaculate. Sincerely, thank you so much to Teens of the Nature for creating such a well thought through product. Ethical, vegan, just love it 100% and recommend it to you guys. Of course, nowadays we need to gravitate more towards ethical brands, especially in the beauty industry. Choosing cruelty-free products, vegan products, it's absolutely must nowadays. Thank you everyone for watching, and if you have any questions regarding this hair color, please comment down below and I will answer you. And I will see you in the next one.